Hi everyone! Natanggap na namin yung package na in-order namin sa Lazada. Mag-unboxing kami ng ito. Yan. Galing yan sa Lazada. Pero since sobrang gusto ng mga anak ko na sila yung mag-unbox, sila na mag-unbox. Alam na naman namin to na tripod to kasi tatry namin mag-vlog ulit. Kasi sa totoo lang, inopen ko yung YouTube nung mga anak ko like si Mika tsaka si Boya para dun sa memories, simula ng pagka-baby nila hanggang sa lumalaki sila. Tapos yun, hindi ko na nalalagyan ulit. So ngayon, tatry namin na lagyan ulit yung mga videos yung YouTube channel nila for the memories, diba? Kasi hindi na naman natin mababalikan yung mga pagkabata nila eh. Talagang moving forward lahat eh. So ayun, tatawagin ko na sila para i-unbox tong tripod. Tsaka ayun nga, check na rin namin kung maganda nga siya, kung worth it yung bayad. So ayan, game! So ito yung mga makukulit ko. Si Ate Mika. Well, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Ate Mika. Hello, everyone. This is Boya.
Okay. So what are we gonna do today?
We're going to unbox this big package.
So what do you think, what's inside?
I think it's...
I already told everyone a while ago. You did not hear me.
a tripod. A boxer.
Boxer? Why?
There's boxers inside.
There's boxers inside this box? So they're going to open it na. I forgot to tell you guys, I included a microphone. Yeah. So we'll try and test this also later.
Daddy, this is a new thingy for you.
No, new what?
New tripod. New tripod for you, Daddy.
Let's open it now.
Let's see what's this. Wow, paper sticking. Paper sticking. Paper sticking.
What? What's that, Boya?
It's paper sticking.
So what's that for?
For nothing. It's for my finger.
Why are you excited?
We like it.
Okay, let's show them now what's inside.
That is a tripod. Okay.
Yeah, but we
Put
just
it here,
have to
put it
show
here, and then put it here. On my hand is sticky.
Oh, nice package. Look at this. There's a
Wow. Zip it.
black bag or pouch.
Zip it.
What does it say?
Zip it. Zip it.
Zomei? Is that it?
No.
Boya's a little bit excited. She wants to remove everything now. Let's do it carefully.
Wow. Do the instructions too.
Amazing.
Open it.
Wait. Do not destroy it.
We have to open it.
Yeah, we're going to open it, but let's not destroy it. Sayang kasi yung plastic.
Why do we need a plastic?
Ang ganda nung tripod. Kala mo naman DSLR yung ilalagay. Cellphone lang naman ilalagay.
Let's go open it, everyone.
So, katulad nung nung katulad ng ibang mga package, meron din siyang user manual. Oh, you show it to them.
Yeah. This is the
user manual.
This is the user manual.
Mm-hmm.
It's Oh, Daddy, look! Daddy, look at the instructions. So the instruction says quick release, lock knob. The next one. So I will tell you the instructions.
So nice
Quick
naman.
release the lock knob.
It's so nice. Pang DSLR nga.
Where's yours?
Pero since mag-start ulit kami, syempre gusto namin maganda-maganda. Malay mo, di ba? Sa DSLR na kami. Sa pag-YouTube namin.
First you go put your hands here. Okay, look. This is from who? This is from Burpee Burpee.
Mas ganda. So, tatry ko talaga mag-upload every at least twice or thrice a week. So, ayun nga. Katulad nung sinasabi ko kanina, gusto lang namin ulit buhayin yung mga YouTube channel nila na ginawa ko rin talaga para sa kanila. Siyempre, pag lumalaki na sila, meron silang something to look after or parang magbalik tanawan yung mga baby videos nila. Meron na rin naman pero sobrang hindi edited eh. Tapos, ayun, itatry kong i-edit siya na para mas maganda sa mga viewers, mas, alam mo yun, hindi nakaka-bored na, panoorin. So yun, what can you say about our new tripod, ate?
That it's amazing and it's long. Better than our old one.
It's better than the old one. Yeah, because this is for, for DSLR and it's nice kaya.
Oh, it does say so.
Yeah. How about you, Bea? Come here. What? Not too much. Okay. What can you say about our new tripod?
It's so nice and it's beautiful.
And
better than
don't forget, we're going to test this also later. See?
Let's go open the surprise thing.
No, this is just a microphone, but we're going to test it later. And we're gonna show everyone if it's really working or not. Hello guys, dito makikita nyo yung ating microphone na Boya BY-MM1. Ito mismo yung mic na may kasamang furry windshield. Ang cable na ito ay 3.5mm TRS connector na good for cameras, camcorders at audio recorders. At itong cable naman ay for smartphones or tablets. Ang dulo na ito ang ikakabit mismo sa cellphone at ang kabila naman ay yung sa microphone. May kasama din siyang shock mount at leather-like na lagayan. Ang hawak ko ngayon ay mismong microphone na nasa loob ng windshield at ang gamit kong mic to film this video ay mismong Boya BY-MM1. So that's it for now.
Bye, Pacia fans.
Our new tripod.
Let's go open the next one.
Yeah, we'll open it later. Bye.
Bye, Pacia fans.